a relation R on the set, this will be reflexive if these six ordered pair AA, BB, CC, DD, EE and FF are present in R. That means in R, these six ordered pair must be present. If any one of these six ordered pair is not present in R, then R cannot be said to be reflexive. Therefore, for R to be reflexive, these six ordered pair must be present in R. But in this question, it is said that R contain exactly 10 elements. That means 4 more ordered pair are present in this relation R. A relation R on this set is said to be symmetric if for every ordered pair belongs to R, we don't have to look inside this set. We have to look inside this R. For every ordered pair AB belongs to R, there must be present this ordered pair BA. Here A is in place of X coordinate, B is in place of Y coordinate. If position of these two elements are interchanged, then we get this ordered pair BA. If this is present in R, then we will have to see whether this is present in R or not. If this is present, then it may be symmetric. But if this is not, if this is present and this is not present, then this is not symmetric. But if neither this nor this are present in R, then it may be symmetric. This is not necessary that every ordered pair like AB that can be formed by using element of this set must be present in R. This is not necessary. If this is not present, AB is not present, BA is not present, then it may be symmetric. Now, we have to make 4 ordered pair such that when we put these 4 ordered pair in R, then R also satisfy condition for its being symmetric. If we put AB, BA and CD, DC inside this R, then R will be symmetric also. But these 2 ordered pair can be formed by using only 2 elements A and B from this set. That means if we take selection of two things, selection of any two things out of these six things, six letters, then we can form these two ordered pair. Similarly, CD and DC can be formed by using these two letters C and D. That means any combination of two elements from this set will give this type of two ordered pair, so that when we put these two ordered pair inside R, then R will also be symmetric. Out of these six elements present in this set, if we want to find number of combination of two things, then this will be equal to 6C2. Number of combination of six things, these six things taking two at a time will be equal to 6C2. This will be equal to 15. These 15 combinations, each consisting of two things, are as follows here, written here. Out of these 15 combinations, if we select any two combinations, suppose we select AB, here we select one combination AB and one combination CD. Then from AB we can form two ordered pair AB, BA, and from this combination we can form ordered pair CD, DC. If we put these four ordered pair inside this R, then R will also be symmetric and it will contain exactly 10 elements. But these type of two combinations out of these 15 combinations can be selected in 15C2 ways, that is equal to 105 ways. Therefore, number of such relations are, that is reflexive, symmetric, and also contain exactly 10 elements, will be 105. Now solution is complete.